How to create a gap in Clipchamp. Need a bit of space between scenes? Let me show you how to create a gap between clips in Clipchamp. It's quick and easy. Just click and drag the second clip to the right. This creates a blank space between clips on your timeline. You can adjust how long the gap is by how far you drag it. Want to fill the gap with something cool? Add a black screen, title, background, or even sound effects. Go to Content Library and search for background for black or colorful screens, or use the Text tab to add a message during the pause. Use the pause for suspense, add music or sound effects, or just keep it silent for dramatic effects. The empty space worked great for transition or to give viewer a breather. Preview the effects. Clean and intentional. Then hit export. And you are done. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fast tutorials.